Hello, my name is Damien. Welcome to my channel. I've lived abroad for over 20 years and sometimes I get a craving for Irish food. So today I'm going to be making turnovers. I am by no means a chef or I'm not a cook. I actually had to ask my girlfriend how to turn on the cooker. These are very simple to make and they're very quick. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the ingredients here are pretty simple. I've got my pastry roll, you can buy it in a supermarket. I've got some jam, some icing sugar, and 1 egg. I will also turn the cooker on now so it's ready by the time I've prepared everything. It's set at 220 degrees. I've smeared this baking tray with butter. You can also use margarine. This is just to stop the turnovers from sticking. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is roll out the pastry dough. And we're going to cut it into 6 pieces. One across the middle. One here. Could have used a better knife. Like so. And now what I'll do is I'll get a wooden spoon and take in 2 opposite corners. Like so. Perfect. And I'll do this with all 6. Now, I'll get a little bit of jam. I think that's enough there. Get my egg, I will put in a little drop of milk. And I will whisk it. Okay. And now this I will put on all of the pastry. This will give my turnovers colour, so I do want to put a lot of it on. There we go. And now these are ready for the tray. So I will lift them very gently. I can lift them with my hand. And now these guys are ready for the cooker. As I said before, I've got it set at 220 degrees. Little mittens on. And they're in. Now I'll keep these guys in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I've got my icing sugar. Depends on how much sugar you actually want on your turnovers. Icing sugar. I can make it a little thicker if I want. Or I can add more water to make it thinner. The choice is mine. Okay, so after 12 minutes in the cooker, this is how they look. Pretty nice. Okay, so now I'm going to take them off. Nice and carefully. Voila. And here are my turnovers. So now I'll get my icing sugar. And I'll just run it over like this. And the same with these ones. And here are my finished turnovers. I will let them cool now for a little while and they'll be ready to eat. And here we have them. Turnovers. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. And check my channel for other videos. Take care guys. Bon appetit.